Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's yjyummyjai, and today I'm doing a hair review for you guys. And this hair is from Dsoar hair. I'm gonna cut the package open because I ain't opened it yet. Like, it's my first time getting Dsoar hair, and look, the box ain't beat up. It looks nice, you know. It looks nice as it should. Oh. Alright, so this is I saw this online. This is a little bag that they give you. It says, "Let the world remember your beauty." So Dsoar hair, all that, whatever. I said satin. I meant satin. Yeah, satin part. I was really hoping for a beauty blender though, but yeah. That bonnet will do. So the wig is it's a pre-plucked 24-inch lace front wig. Ooh. Can y'all see that? I'm about to be swaying my hair like, ow. This is 24 inches. And it's pre-plucked, so it looks good to me, but of course I'm gonna pluck it again. Oh yeah, and it's transparent lace, so yeah, it definitely is gonna get plucked again. But this is the inside. I think it's a 13 by 6. 13, yeah, I think it's a 13 by 6. It comes with the clips. Ooh. Clips 1, 2, 3, and 4. And yeah, that's about it. Like, this is, what did I get? I got Peruvian. But they have Peruvian, Malaysian, Brazilian, and Indian, but I got Peruvian. It looks good. I can't wait to put this on, like, y'all don't even know. Okay. Period poo. So this is the hair installed, and this is, it's supposed to be glueless, but it really ain't. So I sewed it down. I'm so sorry. I sewed it down like right here between the tracks on both sides, and then I took the little air tabs and I glued it down with some ghost bond. So this hair is pretty long. It's 24 inches and I'm loving it. Like, from the, ooh, my bad, I ain't mean to hit you with my hair. Girl, like, stop. Like, stop. Like, I ain't even do much. Like, I didn't even pluck it. I ain't even pluck it that much. I did it 1, 2, 3 on both sides and called it a day. I will call this basically do nothing wig. All I did was use this to cover my knots, and this is the Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray and medium glow. And that's it. That's all I did. I just cut out some little edges right here. And yeah, like, Cause I got school tomorrow. I don't got time to be doing all this and that. It's a Sunday night. Ain't got time for it. I just switch wigs and yeah. It's cool. It's cute. And guess what? It's a transparent lace. So I ain't even really do nothing like y'all. Like I'm geeking, but this hair is cute. By the way, this is from Dsoar hair. I paid, I think, $1.99 for it, and that was with a coupon at checkout. So yeah, it was like $1.99. It took like 4 or 5 days to come. But yeah, get you one, sis, cause I like it and it's cute. And, like, style, like, y'all, like, it's so silky, like, you have no clue. And it's 13, I think it's, oh, it's 13 by 6, not no 13 by 4, 13 by 6. And it's 24 inches, and I got it in Peruvian. And yeah, I think that's about everything that you should know about this hair. I did cut the lace so it kind of shed it a little bit, but otherwise the hair still looks good. It looks flawless. Look like scalp matches my skin color. But yeah, that's it. That's all. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you should do that. Go ahead and subscribe down below. And thank you guys for watching.